Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find system and updates. And as you can see on this third section, we've got the language and input, so let's tap on it and enter language and region. And as you can see, this is the list of languages which we've previously applied on this device. So let's tap on add a language, and as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, Turkish. After tapping on it, we will go back to the language and region, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to change your system language to Turkish in my case. So of course you can get back without changing or simply change. And as you can see, the Turkish language immediately appeared at the very top of this list. We've got also this tick icon, which means that it has been applied, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Here you can also change it just by tapping and holding or not. As you can see, it's even easier than I thought. You do not have to swipe the position of the languages. All you have to do is to simply tap on the one which is on this list in order to change the language, which is really quite easy. Of course, if you want to, you can remove those languages from this list. If you want to simply leave only one, just tap on this edit icon. And as you can see here, all you have to do is to simply tap on this X button right next to it. And as you can see, from this step, you will be able to change the position of the languages depending how you would like to set them. It's up to you. So let me remove both of them and tap on the tick icon. And as you can see, after getting back, we've got only English left. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the system language in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.